Hello all, this is Ritu Virmani and I am here to teach you sum and average functions of MS Excel. So let's get started with the video so that you will easily understand what I'm going to teach you all. So here you can see the name of the students written and here the marks obtained by them. And if you want to know the total marks obtained by one individual in all subjects, just simply write equals to sum bracket open and now put the cell reference, that is from 67 to 84, and close the bracket. Press enter. And now for the rest, just drag down. Here we go. Now I have one shortcut way जिससे इतनी मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी. Just simply select the cell reference, yeah, and go there the auto sum, click on sum, and here we go is 462, and then simply drag down, yeah. And for the average function, we have a formula. We started with the equals to average, open the bracket, yeah, and put the cell reference, that is B4 to G4, and now close the bracket and press enter. It's 77. Now for the rest, just drag down. Here we go. Now there's another way, that is shortcut, जिससे इतनी मेहनत भी ना करनी पड़े. Just simply select the cell reference, go in auto sum, click on average, and yeah, and then simply drag down. Now you know how to do this. Just do it by your own and like and subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.